Imagine cooking your favorite meals, crispy, juicy, and flavorful, with up to 75% less fat than traditional frying. Introducing the Ninja Air Fryer Pro 4-in-1 AF141, a powerful and versatile appliance ready to transform your kitchen. With a sleek design, the Ninja Air Fryer Pro is more than just an air fryer. It's a 4-in-1 device that air fries, roasts, reheats, and dehydrates. Think about all the possibilities. Crispy fries, perfectly roasted veggies, reheated leftovers that taste fresh, or even dried fruit snacks for healthy munching. And yes, it can do all of that in one machine, saving space and eliminating the need for multiple gadgets. This powerhouse comes with a large 5.5-quart basket, big enough for family meals, yet compact enough to fit on your countertop. Imagine cooking a family-sized batch of chicken wings or an entire pound of fries, crispy on the outside, tender on the inside. And here's the real kicker. The Ninja Air Fryer Pro uses precision-controlled temperature, fan speed, and an innovative crisping system. This means each bite will have the crunch and flavor you crave without the extra calories. Healthy eating, now easier than ever. But let's dive a little deeper. Air frying reduces up to 75% of the fat in your meals, making it a heart-friendly choice. And the beauty of it? You won't sacrifice flavor. This device locks in moisture while giving you that mouth-watering crisp you love. Plus, the dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup a breeze. No more scrubbing oily pans. Just toss the basket in the dishwasher and you're done. Imagine treating yourself to the foods you love, guilt-free. The Ninja Air Fryer Pro isn't just a kitchen tool. It's your gateway to balanced, satisfying meals without the mess or extra calories. Ready to enjoy family dinners or host friends with ease? This is your chance. Check out the links in the description and the first comment to bring this must-have device to your kitchen today. Now let's talk versatility. The Ninja Air Fryer Pro comes with a recipe book to inspire creativity. From appetizers to full meals, it's packed with ideas to keep your cooking exciting. So why wait? Head to the links below and discover how the Ninja Air Fryer Pro can redefine your cooking experience. Don't miss out on elevating your kitchen. Get your Ninja Air Fryer Pro 4-in-1 AF141 through the link below and start enjoying healthier, tastier meals with just a few clicks. Click now.